Today I'm unboxing and reviewing the Evofox One S Universal Wireless Gaming Controller. This controller is designed for PC, mobile, Android TV, and even PlayStation 4, so if you game on multiple devices, this might be interesting. Let's start with the unboxing and then I'll share my real gameplay experience. Inside the box, the first thing you get is the Evofox One S controller itself. Along with that, there's a user manual, a few Evofox stickers, a warranty card, and a 2.4 Giga Hertz wireless dongle. They've also included a dongle extension cable, which is really useful if your PC or TV is far away or blocked. The packaging is neat, and everything is well protected. Right out of the box, the controller feels solid and comfortable. It comes in a sleek matte black design with rubber grips on the sides. The matte finish helps with grip and also keeps fingerprints away, which is great for long gaming sessions. Overall, it feels ergonomic and well balanced in hand. One of the biggest highlights here is the 3 connectivity modes. You can use it via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, or wired mode. Switching between PC, Android, iOS, and iPadOS is seamless. The wireless range is up to 10 meters, and during my testing, I didn't notice any lag or drop in connection. Bluetooth works smoothly, and gameplay feels responsive across devices. This controller features Hall-Sense 3D magnetic joysticks. These joysticks use magnetic sensors instead of physical contact, which means zero drift, smoother movement, and longer durability. In games, the movement feels very precise and consistent. The pressure-sensitive analog triggers are another big plus. You can gently accelerate or brake in racing games, or control shooting intensity in action games depending on how hard you press. It adds a nice layer of realism. You also get 2 programmable macro buttons, which are great for quick in-game actions. There's a precision mode as well, which helps with fine control, especially in FPS and racing games. The dual vibration motors deliver strong and immersive feedback. Explosions, crashes, and hits feel more impactful without being overdone. The Evofox One S packs a 400 mAh battery. You get up to 10 hours of playtime, and even more if you turn vibration off. Charging is done via Type-C, and it fully charges in about 2 hours. There's also Smart Auto Shut-Off, which helps save battery when the controller is idle or disconnected. Overall, the Evofox One S is a feature-packed controller with excellent connectivity, smooth Hall effect joysticks, responsive triggers, and solid battery life. If you're looking for a reliable wireless controller for multiple platforms, this one is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and gaming reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.